and irrational quantities. Yeah, for example, you have example 1. Find the square root of I'm having 6 plus a 2 5. Okay, so we let x1 plus x2 to be the square root of 6 plus 2 at. So we let x1 root plus x2 root is equal to be the square root of this one. Yeah. So square both sides. This is squared is equal to 6 plus 2 root 5. So this is x1 plus x2 plus a 2 x1 x2. Yeah, this is factorizing. Yeah, x plus 2 root 5. Yeah, so compare x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus, I think that x1 and plus x2 is 6. x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. So 2 x1 x2 is equal to 5. x1 x2 is equal to 5. Therefore, we get the values of x1 and x2. That is equation 1, equation 2. Then from equation 1, x1 is equal to 6 minus x2. Yeah. So substituting this x1 into this second equation, we say equation is star into equation 2. So that is x1 is 6 minus x squared, then x2 is equal to 5. This is 6x2 minus x2 squared is equal to 5. Therefore, x2 squared x2 squared minus 6 x2, then plus 5 is equal to a 0. Yeah. Yes. So we solve for that. If you solve, you are getting x2 minus 1, x2 minus 5 is equal to 0. So x2 is 1, x2 into 1 is 1, and another value of x2 is equal to 5. So from one of the equation, you can say from 1. So x2 is 1. So x1 plus 1 is equal to 6. So x1 is equal to this minus this is 5. Then another x, this is 5 is equal to 6. This and this into 2 is equal to 1. Yeah. So from this general equation, I think this x1 using this I'm taking x1 as 5. I'm going to interchange them. x2 it can be 1, x2 it can be a 5. Then I'm taking this 2 and 2, x2 2, x1 2, 2. So this is therefore is 1 plus root 5. This is the equation. So you can practice with 8 minus 2 root 15. Yeah. So if you want to talk to the teachers, you can use WhatsApp number +86 you WhatsApp on this number, then +256, this is 7 4689 54. So after doing the solutions for those numbers, then you send the solutions to these WhatsApp numbers. Yeah. Remember to subscribe on Smart Grid Digital, the educators for more topics of A-level math. Yeah, this is numerical concepts. Yeah, that is the end of indices. So if you want a private coaching, private teaching, live classes, contact those numbers. Yeah, smart grid digital educators. Thank you.